Hola, Timor-Este.
Thank you. Oh my god. Feels so good. Everyone, look at the camera. I put my life jacket on because I was too scared. What if I fall into the water? Oh, there's a boat.
See that fish jumping?
Oh, there are? Okay, then we have to stop and watch that. Yeah.
Maybe we can take this 4th of July.
Yes! Yeah! Why
See the
not?
fireworks.
Yeah. That's my dream. I want to see the fireworks. How is it going so far to Nelson? Oh, thank you so much for taking us here. This guy's busy. What are you doing, baby?
Cooking things, organizing it so it's not everything in the way.
Oh, good job, baby. Because you were about to stand up for a wave again and you didn't say anything.
No, we were coming in sideways and then the boat tilted.
Oh.
So in case we flip, I want to jump on that.
And then quietly? Hey, how about me and to
I
Nelson?
wasn't sure. So when the boat is like upside down, I'll tell you like we're flipping.
Are you kidding? That's too late.
He was coming, by the way.
Okay, thank you for letting me know. Oh shit.
I let you know.
Okay,
Off the
gracias.
record.
Okay, gracias. Oh my god, am I need to stand up or something? Not so bad. Oh my god. That was cool. I like that. Okay guys, so we found this little island and we are docking here to check it out. So we stopped by here because we saw this little place that Sergio's uncle said he has actually never seen it. So we stopped by to check it out, and it's so nice. Not a lot of people, but there are people over there. They're cooking. I think they're with their family and friends. Looks really nice, relaxing and peaceful. It's so beautiful. So far, I feel happy, peaceful, because not a lot of boats in the ocean as well. So I'm enjoying my time so far with my loved one, my baby and his uncle. So beautiful. Okay guys, now we're gonna go check out this place. So we're just going to Nelson's over there. Baby, be careful, crocodile, baby. Oh, there's airplane.
That's a marsh.
What?
That's a marsh. When fresh water from a river mixes with salt water from the ocean,
So
it
this
makes
is-
a marsh.
So this is where the crocodile is.
This is the habitat for crocodile, but you don't know that they live here. Like,
Okay.
but if they were, they would live in this habitat.
Oh wow. Maybe there's a little fishes. Let's see. A lot god, we eat this fish back home. But when they're bigger though, right now they're super small. Wait. So nice, guys. Should we walk that way, baby?
Okay. Try.
Baby, be careful. Baby, you could sink. It's not my responsibility.
Oh yeah, it is.
Baby, why do you say that?
I'm kidding. It's a joke.
So nice. How are you feeling, Nelson?
Nice.
You enjoying this beautiful place?
You can come here and make a fire, maybe. Or how like come and bring a picnic here.
Yeah, we can probably have our tent. We can
This
have
one is fresh water.
fresh water, yeah. And look at those, so many small fishes. Yeah. Oh my god! Did you guys get this from here? Oh wow! We gotta do this sometimes. Thank you. Oh wow! Just check it out, but it doesn't seem like there is a spot for you to like set up your tent and like, do a camping here, you know. Oh guys, I think my shoes is broken for sure. I totally wear the wrong shoes. Well, this is my first time and I didn't know what to wear basically. I'm an island girl, but when I come to Washington DC, I thought I wouldn't do anything like this because they don't have ocean here. I thought they don't have ocean here.
So that's the national flower of Bolivia, except it needs to have the green on it.
Oh really?
It's red, yellow, and then green. And we call it the cantuta.
Oh, Cantuta. Okay, that's so cool.
You can see the natural snail. And I'm gonna touch it and it's gonna go in.
So cool. Okay guys, we are now going to the other side. So we were going that way. That's where the National Harbor right there. Washington DC National Harbor. And then now we're coming this way, guys. Oh, somebody cook here. To Nelson, say hi. Hola.
Hola.
Say hola Timor-Leste.
Hola Timor-Leste.
Thank you. Okay guys, this is definitely reminding me of my village. To grind the corn and to grind the rice. I get tired so fast. Oh, this is so much better. Look. Oh my god, it hurts my palm. No longer a village girl, I guess. Oh my god. How did I used to do that? Okay, so we're gonna go back to the boat now and probably we're gonna head back home. Not sure, depending on everyone's thinking. Depending on the bus.
These things have to go down.
Let's go.